Good noon, everybody. I'm William Skiles with my co-host, William Skiles. We are coming to you live from Venezuela, Zimbabwe. No need to fact check me on that. They're about the same things, so don't worry about it. Today we'll be showing you how to reassemble your freshly field stripped G3 CETME crossover mix. First thing you want to start out with is this beautiful little piece right here. All you're going to do is set your 80% piece up here, set it on the top, make sure it's all aligned, and first step done. Your next step is to take your trigger assembly, and this is the tricky part, getting it right. You're going to set it equal on both sides. Be very, very careful here. If you push it the wrong way, it won't go on right. Looks like I may have just gotten it first try, heck yes. That's the second step. Third step, buffer spring and stock. That didn't happen. You're gonna make sure it aligns all the way down the top of the tube. My suggestion, stand up, get on top of it, so you get more power. There we go. And if you're talented, just one hit will get you where you need to be. Now, as I mentioned in past videos, we put our pins that we need in their proper places. All you're going to do is take the pins, put them back where you got them. Final step is to take the pin from this that we took out earlier, run it through, put it back on right here. Super easy, kind of self-explanatory, but have to explain it to you anyways. Put the final pin back in. Work back over to this pin because sometimes these just don't align very well. Make sure it goes in right. Un mas momento. Freaking call me. Sorry for the little English. And that is your reassembled G3 CETME crossover mix. Thank you for your time. This has been a lovely few days. Adios, muchachos.